In Nellore in Andhra Pradesh, it's Reddy versus Reddy. YSRCP will be facing off against the TDP-BJP Janasena Alliance's candidate. So now here's a ground report coming in from Nellore about how this is going to be a closely watched showdown. Remember, the southern states will be curiously watched because their swing, their turn, their decisions could actually affect general elections as well.
A closely watched showdown. A Reddy versus Reddy battle in Andhra Pradesh's Nellore constituency. Representing the ruling YSR Congress party is Vijay Sai Reddy. Vemi Reddy Prabhakar Reddy of the TDP-BJP Janasena alliance on the other side. Vijay Sai Reddy considered a close lieutenant of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. His contender defected from the YSRCP to join the TDP in February this year.
Previously in Telugu Desam government, they had got about 1,550 crores for the development of Nellore. Underground drainage was the main issue and a lot of mosquitoes. So that was done by Telugu Desam government and 90% of the work is completed, underground drainage. The only thing, the 10% which is balanced, as soon as we come to power, all these, these mosquitoes, open drainage systems, all these nalas, everything will be under control.
Vemi Reddy Prabhakar Reddy relies on anti-incumbent sentiment in Andhra Pradesh, especially in Nellore. The YSRCP won the constituency in 2019. Yet the party replaced the sitting MP A. Prabhakar Reddy with Rajya Sabha member Vijay Sai Reddy, who claims the state government has fulfilled 99% of the manifesto promises.
In our manifesto, YSRCP manifesto, in 2019, whatever promises that have been made in the manifesto, 99% of the promises have been fulfilled. This electorate is aware of it. And once a promise is made, it is our Chief Minister who will fulfill it at any cost. And people have got the confidence on Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu.
However, the YSRCP faces challenges in this constituency due to several MLAs defecting to the opposition TDP.
He has never stayed here or done any development in Nellore. In fact, I have been doing all, different activities here like water plants. I've given about 130 water plants which I have done, not keeping in mind that I am going to contest at all. Without anything, I just wanted to serve the people of Nellore. What has he done for Nellore? He has left Nellore, I think, 30 years back. When has he come here?
Nellore heads to the polls on May 13th. Testing the effectiveness of YSRCP grassroots programs and the NDA's campaign for change in the state. With Apurva Jayachandran, Bureau Report, India Today.